most overrated buffet in Las Vegas. It's borderline scammy. You should skip it, and I'm going to explain why. This is the Wicked Spoon at Cosmopolitan. This is the one that everyone thinks is good, but it's not. They present a lot of options, but they're all basic, like this build your own peanut butter and jelly station. And I know they're trying to appeal to the masses, but everything's been sitting out. It lacks flavor or seasoning. The meat options are okay, and everyone comes here for the all-you-can-eat crab legs, but they smell super fishy, so much so that I couldn't eat them. And here's the scammy part. It's around $50 a person for the crab leg buffet. You'll wait in line over an hour, and then they'll say, you can buy a fast pass for $25 per person and go to the front of the line, or wait in a secondary line. Could be a couple more hours. My biggest complaint is this place isn't clean. Everything looks like a total nightmare all the time. Add that to the fact that you are herded like cattle, and you'll wait in more lines inside for the food you've already waited in line to eat. Only buffet worth eating in Las Vegas. It is the best, and I will explain why. This is the Wynn. They offer bottomless drinks for $31 per person. Pause to see what you can order, but it's a steal. Their seafood buffet is $75 per person, but it is amazing. So much cold seafood, crab, shrimp, all the sushi, tons of beef and prime rib, plenty of pork, chicken, and sausage. There are individual stations for different cultural foods. The sides are excellent, and the crown jewel is this pan roast of shrimp, crab, and mussels. There's a pizza station, a ramen station, a build your own street taco station, hot seafood, and a charcuterie spread that you should visit for alone. There's a ton of fresh cold salads and fruits, lots of gluten-free and vegan. Everything is clearly marked for allergens. There's fresh pressed juices. They have the best selection of desserts in Las Vegas, including plenty of sugar-free options. It's no secret that I don't like buffets. I don't like community vats of low-quality food. We tried everything, and everything here is exceptional. It is exactly what you would expect from the Wynn, and going anywhere else would be a waste of money. This is the oldest and best steakhouse in Las Vegas. It looks suspicious because it's in a rundown strip mall just off the boulevard, but they've been open for 65 years, and here's the secrets to getting a reservation and how much you should expect to pay. This is Golden Steer, and people come from all over for their $17 life-changing Caesar salad and their $85 flown-in fresh Australian jumbo lobster tails. But the steak is the real star here. Expect to spend around $100 for a steak unless you go for a dinner for two. Those are in the $200 range and often include sides. You need to make a reservation 30 to 60 days in advance. Your only chance of getting in here last minute is to show up right at 4 p.m. and be prepared to eat in the bar. If you want to sit in one of the named booths where celebrities like Marilyn Monroe and Frank Sinatra used to dine, call the day of your reservation and request it, and then tip the hostess when you show up. Be sure to ask your server about the secret exits and the rooms the mob used to use.